Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. #16. Culture and Heritage. The Telangana State Handicrafts Development Corporation promotes crafts such as a. Pembarthi metal craft. The Samaka Saralama Jatara is celebrated in the a. Medaram village. The Golconda Fort in Telangana is famous for its a. Secret underground tunnel. The traditional art form of Telangana, Nirmal paintings, originated in which town? A. Nirmal. The Devarakonda Fort in Telangana was built by the A. Kakatiya dynasty. The Dimsa dance of Telangana is performed by which tribal community? A. Lambadas. The Bathakama festival in Telangana is celebrated for a. 9 days. The Medak Cathedral in Telangana is a fine example of a. Gothic revival architecture. The Kaleshwaram Temple in Telangana is located at the confluence of which rivers? A. Godavari and Pranahita. The Golconda Fort in Telangana served as a major center for trading a. Diamonds. The traditional folk art of Telangana, Banalu pot painting, uses colors made from a. rice flour. The Sirasila Balaji Temple in Telangana is known for its a. carved pillars. The Medaram Jatara festival in Telangana is celebrated in honor of which tribal goddess? A. Samaka. The Telangana State Biodiversity Board works towards conserving the state's a. flora and fauna. The Gadwal saris of Telangana are known for their a. zari weaving. The Sirpur Kagasnagar Ramalayam in Telangana is dedicated to the deity a. Lord Rama. The Kakatiya Rock Garden in Telangana is known for its sculptures made from a. recycled materials. The Nizamabad Nandi is a famous sculpture located in which district of Telangana? A. Nizamabad. The Bathakama festival of Telangana is celebrated during which Hindu month? A. Ashwayuha. The Jagadamba temple in Telangana is dedicated to the goddess a. Durga. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.